Drilling Coke, nothing but the best. Oh, hello everybody. Hello you lovely lot. Yes, that was the worst intro I've ever done. I do apologise. So, anyway, on to the subject at hand. Last week, I believe it was last week, I posted a little video on what could potentially be my next PC build for 2018. Because I'm genuinely planning to upgrade from what I've now got here. I mean, it's still very, very good. Don't get me wrong, but I just want to get into the whole 4K sort of era for gaming. It was going to be VR, but it never really worked out for me. So, I actually did put up a straw poll as well, and a few people have actually voted. I mean, yeah, it was only 10 people, but it was still nice of you to vote. Thanks for that. So, what is my PC build going to be for next year? Well, let's just say I've currently got the motherboard and the CPU here, which I ordered only yesterday. Now, a little backstory as well about this, the current system I've got as well. I mainly ordered parts for this from all different places. I went to scan.co.uk, Amazon, if I really absolutely had to get bits from Amazon. But in a pinch, I also ended up getting some parts from the manufacturer directly, such as cable mod for the cables that are currently in here. But for this one, I'm going to try my absolute hardest to order from one of those places that I ordered from in the past, and that is Overclockers UK. Now, Overclockers UK are actually a genuinely brilliant company to order PC parts from. They're very competitive on their prices, and as an added bonus, they include a packet of Haribo in every single order. I mean, you don't really order for the Haribo, you order for the parts. So, what is my platform going to be based on? Well, the motherboard is from ASUS, like my previous one, but it's part of their ROG lineup. And it is this one here. This is the Crosshair 6 Hero Republic of Gamers motherboard. And if you're familiar with the Crosshair name, it's part of the AMD platform. Hence why at the bottom, you can probably see it here, you've actually got the X370 platform logo, the Ryzen logo, more importantly. That's going to be the important one because the CPU I've got is indeed an AMD Ryzen CPU. Which one? Well, let's just say I took advantage of the Black Friday deals that Overclockers had. And here is my Ryzen 7 CPU. More specifically, if you can see that, can you? There you go. The 1800X. This is going to power my 4K gaming machine for 2018. I understand that with AMD, overclocking is a little bit more difficult, but I'm going to do my best to try and overclock this as much as I can to get as much performance from it. I mean, yeah, I could have chosen Intel and overclocked the hell out of that because the 870, the 8700i, that's it. I've forgotten what it was entirely. It's been a long day. That's better. Yeah, it's the 8700i i7 CPU, which is their first hex core CPU in the mainstream lineup. But you can overclock the hell out of that to 5 GHz. I mean, I could have done that, but I actually wanted to have a bit of a theme for this build. Hence why, obviously, the Black Friday sales help with choosing AMD Ryzen as my platform, but it's also going to signify something different. Because my first true custom machine wasn't this one at all. It wasn't this Intel-based one that I've got currently at the moment. It was, in fact, an AMD system. And from what I remember, the CPU was a Phenom 2 Black Edition, the 1100T, which was the top-line CPU to have at the time. And because of that, I'm going to name this system Project Red Reboot. Red only really signifying more what team I've gone with in terms of this build. AMD being red, Intel being blue, and of course graphics being red as well, but the Nvidia platform being green and whatever. But that's the whole idea. Project Red Reboot is going to be a Ryzen based system that's going to be as insane as I can possibly make it. I mean, admittedly, I'm not going to go with a custom loop water cooling system because that's what my first system truly was, but the pump failed, and I don't really want to go down a custom loop route. I may still go with a water-cooled system, but probably an AIO. But I'll figure out what I need to go with later on down the line. But yeah, basically, this is going to be my system. for 2018. AMD is back in this house, and hopefully wherever I move to, if I do decide to move out, when I decide to move out eventually. Anyway, just thought I'd let you all know, and that was that. Thank you for watching this little snippet video, and I'll see you soon. Bye. By the way, yes, I know I was meant to say 8700K, not 8700i. It's been a long day. Shut up and let me sleep. Bye.